Here we are with the new project. This is a decking stoop, so we're gonna replace it. We're gonna put some Flagstone concrete base. So we're getting ready, organizing everything, so we can do a little bit of production.
Menos mal que traje estos dos, no lo ibas a traer, iba a traer uno nomás. Perdón. Mira. Esta es la piedra. El medio inch mejor. Es un cuarto. Ahí está. Listo.
Foundation wall installation. We're gonna install the foundation wall that is reinforced with door wall, rebar, concrete every 36 inches, cement parging outside, inside. Okay. Get in the shape right there. We're getting ready for concrete. All right, now we have to frame the steps, the walkway, and get ready for concrete. Alright, goes a little longer than what we thought. Alright, so we're getting ready for concrete. So we got right there the mixer. We're gonna use a mat mixer too, finishing up. So we're cleaning up. It's pretty much what it is. Concrete base ready for Flagstone. All right, we're finished pouring the concrete, cleaning up, getting ready for the next step. We are getting ready to install the risers. We will cut every single flagstone in order to follow the concrete base. This is when I need my IQ masonry saw. It's amazing. It can cut anywhere. We don't have to worry about dust. It is a little hard working with stone, complicated sometimes. But like I always tell my kids, if you don't like something, just pretend you really like it. Then little by little, you're gonna enjoy it and you're gonna love it in the end. Little by little, getting in there. So today we have to install the step landings, cuts around the walkway, filling up every space and get it ready for grout.
Almost there.
This is it. And now it's ready. Front stoop flagstone installation.
This